Over 3 days climaxing with Father's Day on June 16, a Dad's Racetrack Racing Sim event took place at the Alabang West Parade along the Anghari in Las Piñas. Race Weekend shows highlights of fathers and sons enjoying the sim racing competition.
Father's Day today, no? So together with the Alabang West Parade, it motivated us to start something to give the fathers and their sons things to enjoy. You guys can try this, whether it's simulator or real-life driving. The university's purpose talaga is to spread motorsport and the fun of it towards the Filipino people.
With this simulator event, no, mas pinapalapit natin yung mga tao doon sa love nila for racing. So ngayon, siguro itatry nila yung simulators. Then eventually, syempre, itatry naman nila yung rallying in real life at saka any motorsports in real life. Tulad nga sa Dirt University, no, lahat ng kotse welcome at dito lahat ng tao welcome, no, mapabata, mapatanda, mga tatay, nanay, mga ate, welcome na welcome. Syempre, meron tayong mga beginners na gusto mag-try ng motorsport.
You know, it was really fun. It's not what I expected. It's not just like press on the gas and the brake. You really have to control when you're turning the corners, or else you're going to be like my other contestants. They're just staying in one spot, spinning around.
So I could give a shout out and a special thanks to Dirt University for having us with this event also. We wanted to actually do and promote in this event is actually we want to give you an experience because we have 4 motion racing simulators and we have 4 basic wheel stands, which is non-motion. You know, so we provide an experience for the families, especially who are celebrating Father's Day right now.
So yun, maraming salamat sa mga partners ng Dirt University. Siyempre, Alabang West Parade at Mega World Lifestyle Malls. At siyempre, nandyan ang operations natin dito at partners, ang Stregawo, ang Do More Racing Academy at siyempre, ang Sim2 Premier para sa mga sim racing natin ngayon. So maraming salamat sa inyo. See you soon sa mga kasunod nating laro.
Stragamo, Do More Racing Academy, Sim2 Premier, and Dirt University organized the Dad's Racetrack Racing Sim event. They should hold more of such events.